question. Would you go Root or Kohli, and why?
Kohli, because he's proven, he scored runs all over the place.
I would say Joe Root.
Kohli, better player.
Virat Kohli every time. He's under pressure and he's handling it. Joe Root's captain and he's falling apart.
What's your favourite Dhoni shot, and can you give us a demo?
Like any Indian, the helicopter shot. You hold a bat like this, imaginary bat, move one leg out of the way, and there you go. Your leg goes there, and there you go. That is the MS Dhoni helicopter shot.
I think you got to watch the World Cup final, the last ball of the World Cup final, and that's the helicopter.
It's got to be a helicopter.
MS Dhoni or Joss Butler, and why?
I don't think that's a fair comparison. Butler is proving himself now, but he has to go a long way to match Dhoni yet.
Joss Butler because he's young.
Joe Root or Virat Kohli, and why?
Virat Kohli. He's the best across formats. You can imagine dropping Virat Kohli in a T20 game versus Joe Root didn't play the other day? It can't happen. You bring in the best Indian players, Virat Kohli will still find a place. Joe Root couldn't.
Joe Root because he's awesome. Kohli, well, he's also awesome, but hopefully he's not as awesome today as he normally is.
Virat Kohli is the best. The simple reason here.
Root because he's English and he's brilliant and he's the man. Done.
I think they're both equally good players, but Virat Kohli has proved himself in all three kinds of the games that he's the King Kohli.
Virat Kohli every day.
Virat Kohli, obviously.
Joe Root, because of Yorkshireman and completely biased.